Part 3, Motivation. Lesson 1, Believe in yourself. You are strong. You are smart. Even if life is hard, don't give up. Say to yourself, I can do it. Believe first. Then work hard. Success starts with belief. Lesson 2, Keep going, don't quit. Sometimes, things are not easy. But quitting means you lose. If you keep trying, you will get better. Winners never quit. Step by step, you will reach your goal. Lesson 3, Turn problems into power. Problems are part of life. But you can grow from them. When something is hard, don't run away. Face it. Learn from it. Your struggle becomes your strength. Lesson 4, Small steps matter. Big dreams start with small steps. 1 page a day. 1 word at a time. Small actions, every day, create big change. Be patient. Keep moving. Lesson 5, Your future is in your hands. No one can change your life for you. You must work for it. Make a plan. Take action. What you do today builds your tomorrow. Your future depends on you. Lesson 6, Learn from others. Look at people who work hard. Learn from their stories. Ask for advice. Follow good examples. Success leaves clues. Lesson 7, Stay positive. A good mind brings good results. Think happy thoughts. Speak kind words. Even on bad days, look for the good. Positive people go far. Lesson 8, You are not alone. Everyone has hard times. If you feel tired or sad, talk to someone. Friends and family can help. You are not alone on your journey. Part 3, Motivation is a collection of short lessons that encourage and inspire people to believe in themselves and keep moving forward in life. Believe in yourself. Keep going. Don't give up. And seek support when you need it.